ground beef and onion browned and simmered right into the sauce, layered with noodles, cottage cheese, and parmesan, then finished off with melted mozzarella on top. That's the entire trick behind how to make lasagna with ground beef, and it's honestly one of the easiest recipes to make at home. Hey, friends, today you and I are going to make a great pan of lasagna with ground beef. It's a delicious, delicious meal. It's going to come together with just a few ingredients. It's very easy to put together. Your family's going to love it. They're going to come running to the table. Let's get into it. We begin by adding olive oil to a pan where we're going to add a diced onion. We're going to allow that to cook up and become soft. We're going to add our minced garlic. We're going to allow that cook to become fragrant. Then we're going to add the ground beef, where we are going to brown the ground beef in the garlic and the onion. We're going to add our 2 jars or cans of spaghetti sauce. We're going to stir and combine all of that together. And then we're going to prep our lasagna pan by adding just a small amount of the meat sauce to the very bottom of the 9 by 13 pan. Then we are going to start our layers. On top of the thin mixture, we're going to start with our uncooked lasagna noodles. And you can see that I am placing them where they're touching or overlapping just a little bit, but you want to completely cover your 9 by 13 pan. Then you're going to add more meat sauce on top of those uncooked lasagna noodles. And this is the time saver. You don't have to cook those noodles before you start the layering process. The noodles are going to actually cook right there in the oven. So you want to make sure this layer of meat sauce is a little bit heavier than that first layer. And then we're going to add our cottage cheese, or you can use ricotta cheese. And I'm just going to put little dollops all over the 9 by 13 pan here. It will melt in the oven for coverage. Next, we're going to add in some Parmesan cheese. We're going to sprinkle that on the top. And this is a super easy ground beef lasagna recipe that you can make for dinner here. Then we're going to come in with a little bit of mozzarella cheese. And now we're going to start to repeat the layers over again. Here come the noodles, the uncooked noodles. I'm going to make sure that they're touching or overlapping just a bit. And I'm going to have to break that one noodle at the end to make sure that it can go across the gap there where you see that at the top of your screen. Yeah, you can just break it and kind of fit the pieces in perfectly there. Now comes some more meat sauce. We're going to layer the meat sauce on where it is completely covering the noodles, just like we did the last layer. And I'm scooping it on here to make sure I've got good coverage. And then after the meat sauce, we're going to kind of spread it out there. We're going to come back in with our cottage cheese or ricotta cheese, whatever you prefer. And we're going to put the dollops there of all the cottage cheese so that it melts and it's got good coverage throughout the dish here, the layering dish. Next, we're going to come back with some more Parmesan cheese. Oh, I'm going to add a little bit more cottage cheese here first. There we go. Now we're going to add some more Parmesan cheese. We're just going to sprinkle that on top. And at my house, you can never have enough cheese, so you can kind of do what you like to do and what your family likes as well. Next, we're going to come back in with some more mozzarella cheese. Now, I have saved some mozzarella for the very top of the lasagna as well. So here we go again. We're going to come right back and layer again. Here is our next layer, our last layer of the noodles. We're going to lay them right there next to one another. They're touching or overlapping is perfectly fine. And then we're going to make sure that that very end there at the top of your screen that we've got coverage with the noodles and noodle. And there we go. We're going to use the remaining of our meat sauce here. So we're going to pour all of that remaining sauce right on top of the noodles there. And we're going to spread that sauce out so that it's even and level here in our pan. And we have built quite the layered lasagna here. I mean, this is looking and smelling really, really good. So again, it's an easy ground beef lasagna, an easy dinner to be made. You can make this. This can be done and on the table in less than 1 hour. So there we go. The Parmesan, the mozzarella on the top there, that final layer. I went a little bit heavy. We are going to preheat our oven for 350 degrees. And this is going to go into the oven for 45 minutes to 60 minutes. Just depends on how fast that your oven cooks. So you want that cheese to melt on the top and it to be bubbling on the edges. Next up, I have a recipe card for the lasagna with ground beef, an easy dinner that you could make right there at home for you to take a quick screenshot of on your mobile device or your iPad devices. So then you've got this recipe at your convenience so that you can pull it up on your device in your kitchen and make this recipe just like I made it here with you. And hey, listen, if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button, hit the bell too, so that I can see a little bit more of you. Now let's get this lasagna out of the oven and give it a taste. All right, friends, so our ground beef lasagna is done. It is out of the oven. I have let it set up here for a few minutes before I'm going to serve it, but we're going to dig in. Now, this was easy, right? We layered it together, all that mozzarella cheese on top, the ground beef mixture, the noodle layers, the cheese. All right, look at that beautiful piece. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, so we're going to set it right in there. You can see that it is still piping hot. So lasagna does not have to be intimidating. I remember years ago that lasagna was very intimidating to me, but it is very easy. We brought the meat mixture and the sauce together, brought an onion into it, a little bit of garlic. Then we layered it with the cheese and the noodles. I didn't even pre-cook the noodles, did I? I mean, it was so easy. It's a time saver. And so don't let lasagna be intimidating to you if you are a beginner and just starting out learning how to cook in the kitchen, because it's very, very easy. Lasagna also is customizable. You could layer mushrooms in here. You could layer different cheeses. It's very customizable. Sometimes people make an eggplant lasagna. This is super hot, so I keep talking thinking it's going to cool down. So easy ground beef lasagna made right here at home. I feel like I'm going to burn my mouth. Oh, just that depth of the cheeses. The sauce. It is absolutely delicious. No, I've made this 10 out of 10. I've made this 100 times over. I've raised a family on this. When I worked all day, this was an easy ground beef lasagna. When I got home from work, I could pop it in the oven. We would have dinner within 45 minutes, right? So friends, this is a great recipe. Hopefully you'll try it out. Let me know in the comments below. And hey, listen, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.